Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So sorry, this is very urgent video for Dogecoin holder because Dogecoin going falls down very fastly. Absolutely, I think if you sell it and this time exactly this is good time. So let's see to what's going on in Dogecoin because Dogecoin is starting falls down. So I make this video urgently for Dogecoin holder to please. Oh my goodness, absolutely, I am right. You can see here this time the Dogecoin goes down 11.72%. Oh my goodness, it's just last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, the price is also decreasing now. You can see here in the graph result, totally they go down, my friends. Very urgent updates for everyone. Please be alert, my friends. If you sell this time, exactly this is good time for you to use sell it. Let's check out in the last 2 hours to what's going on in the last 2 hours. The 2 hour result is absolutely most important for every holder. Oh my goodness, and the last 2 hours they also goes down, and you can see here for this time the result has gone good, but I don't know how is it possible today going starting very badly falls down. You can see here they starting very badly 12.51% they gone down, and the last 2 hours, oh my goodness, the result has totally completely gone down. I think the price is also increasing, and those days every cryptocurrencies goes down, my friends. So be alert, and the crypto market lost, and this time 10 billion US dollar. Oh my goodness, 10 billion lost, and this time the crypto market. So but the Dogecoin has completely starting falls down, and the last 2 hours, absolutely exactly this is the point today starting falls down, my brother. Please, I think this is good time to use sell it. Be safe from any more loss. This is exactly good time. My prediction as today going more down. Absolutely, this is urgent news, my friend. Please be safe from more loss. Sell it and be safe. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Allah Hafiz. Take care.